Okay, Walter, so before I forget, I want to address one more thing on this tape transport system where the wheel melted away and the goo got all over the mechanism. Because I decided it was too difficult to disassemble this mechanism instead of just to deal with it. The way I'm dealing with it is just putting some isopropyl alcohol inside the mechanism each time it gets sticky, and for your convenience I'm including an eyedropper, a 2-ounce eyedropper, so that you can actually drop some of that right in the correct spot. And I prefer this spot right here, right there, as well as just to the to this side of the wheel, right down here, because that's where the goo is on the plates that are rubbing back and forth. So right now it's sat again for just a few days, and as we can see, as I try to push this out, it's completely sticky again. See that? It's supposed to pop out there. So that's what happens. It's still too sticky. It's better, and I think every time we do this it just gets a little bit better. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to suck up a little bit of alcohol here. Alright, and we'll just put in a few drops right here, and it's just isopropyl alcohol, and this keeps too much. I think it's okay if it gets on the rest of the mechanism, because it's just isopropyl alcohol. There. See how that works much better? And then maybe just get a paper towel and wipe off the excess right there. So I'm not going to include the alcohol. You should find your own isopropyl alcohol. I'm using this 91%, but I think any common rubbing alcohol will do. But I am going to include this just because I got a bunch of them for cheap from China, and it's convenient, and I think it would make the process easier. Okay, because I'm sure you're going to have to do that a number of times. So now I'm just going to do a quick test here on this tape. Also, the alcohol will be helpful with a cotton swab in order to clean the tape heads, because every once in a while, if these tapes get sticky, as they have a tendency to do so, sticky shed syndrome is something I talk about at QICreader.com under the tape baking tab. Sometimes if the tapes get sticky, they're going to leave a residue on the head, and you're going to need to get a cotton swab, a Q-tip, and dip it in the alcohol, and then basically rub up and down on the tape head. So you'll be using alcohol for a number of things in this particular application, not just freeing the sticky mechanism from time to time because of the rubber drive wheel goo that has melted into it over the years. Okay,